Hi, today I'm going to run a dependent sample t-test on some data that I collected, a pre and a post test to determine if Study Island was effective in teaching a topic to students. So they took a pre-test and they used Study Island to learn about the topic, and then they took a post test. So what we have is the data in SPSS, and then we look at the variable view, and you can, if it hasn't already been done, you can name it pre and post. Go back to the data view, and all we're going to do is go to Analyze, Compare Means, Paired Sample t-test. Paired because we're comparing the pre and the post, so we're going to put the pre. It's already done for us, the pre, and then the post is the second variable. Options, we're going to check to see the confidence interval percentage is 95%. Continue, and then we're just going to run the test. Now the data generates quite quickly, and we have our descriptive stats right here. We can see the mean went from about 75 to 81. So it did show an increase. It shows you the number of participants, which is a small sample size, standard deviations, and standard error of mean. There's also the paired sample correlation. But what we really want to look at is we want to look at the t-test score, and we have our score right here, negative 3.146, and we have a degree of 9 and a significance of 0.012, which is below our level of confidence, which was 0.05. So therefore this score is important because this will tell us that we can actually reject the null hypothesis, which states that there is no effect of Study Island on increasing the learning, and therefore there is a possibility, there's a significance. This shows that there's a significant effect of Study Island on the students because of the score being so low. So therefore we can conclude that Study Island did have an effect or made a difference on students' learning.